Let's make some bagels. First, let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, I will add 1 cup and 2 teaspoons of warm water and 1 teaspoon of yeast, active yeast. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it properly. You can add more sugar if you like. Then I will cover it and left it for 10 minutes to rise the yeast. This will be helpful. Look how beautiful this is. If your yeast is not good, don't try to make it with this. My yeast come out to be good. Look how the bubbles form. Now I will take 3 cups of all-purpose flour to make the bagel. I will add half teaspoons of sugar. Then I will add the mixture of yeast in this, and gently I will mix every ingredients with this. Look, I have to knead it. I have to make a soft dough with my hand. I will knead it 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes very soft and fluffy. Look, this way. You have to work here few minutes. Then I will cover it for 1 hour to rise. Look, after 1 hour it beautifully rise. Now I will separate it from the bowl and divide it into equal pieces to make the bagels. You can make it 6 or 7 or 8 bagels, small or big as per your requirement. I make 7 bagels from it. Look how the dough is formed so nicely. I can smell the aroma of the dough. Roll each piece into a smooth ball to shape the bagel. This way. It's a little bit time consuming process, but you'll love this. I'll do this in this way. The smooth ball. Look. Now poke your thumb through the center and gently stretch the hole until it is about 2 inches wide. Don't worry if they don't look perfect. They'll become beautiful shaped as they rise and bake. So this time you can make it even in every side. So chill. You have to just make it in this way. This is so beautiful, right? I love this part. Look, I made this. This is another one. I'm showing you how I make this beautiful bagel. This is for the first time I'm making this bagel, and it's really yummy, really chewy. I'm in love with bagels. Especially this is amazing in your breakfast. Hope you will like bagels. Look, you have to do this. It's nice. Now all my doughs are ready. Then I will cover it and keep it 10 to 15 minutes to rise again in the baking sheet. Then I put it in boiling water, each side 30 to 60 seconds, not minute, okay, 30 seconds. The more longer you keep it, it will be more chewy. 30 seconds is fine. You have to upside down this way. Look how beautiful this is, and it's become more fluffy, and the size is so beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Now I will add the topping. As per your desired topping, you can add anything. I am adding here sesame seeds. You can add cheese, anything. Then I will bake it at 180 degree or 220 degrees centigrade until it's become golden brown. Now enjoy your bagels with cream cheese or yogurt, or you can make it sandwich, butter, with egg, anything, or you can just have it plain bagels. Look how beautiful. Oh, I'm in love with these bagels. If you like this, don't forget to follow, share, and comments. Enjoy your bagels. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.